Welcome to Dark Web 101. The dark web doesn't accidentally happen. It's built to be invisible. The internet you see, that's the tourist brochure. Glossy, censored, and constantly monitored. You want the real internet? You'll need a flashlight and a VPN. To break down the Inception-esque layers of the internet, the surface is the clear web, what you can Google. Then there's the deep web, stuff behind logins, your emails, bank accounts, mom's OnlyFans. Then we have the dark web, intentionally hidden. You need special tools and possibly therapy to go here. The dark web is freedom or chaos, or both. Depends on who's asking. What can the dark web be used for? With its enhanced anonymity and security, the dark web or darknet is ideal for black market stores, a place to fence stolen goods, purchase fake IDs, and buy illicit drugs. It's also where you can employ hackers or even hitmen. Whether or not you're getting the authentic John Wick experience or just a 9-year-old with a Python tutorial is another issue though. Having said all that, here are some other use cases. The dark web is a haven for privacy enthusiasts or journalists evading surveillance. It's a place where whistleblowers can leak government secrets without fear of reprisals, or just the location of forums where privacy still actually means something. First rule of the dark web, never go in raw. Tor alone doesn't always make you anonymous. Your ISP still sees you're accessing Tor. That's enough to land you on a watch list. Use a VPN before you open Tor, preferably one that doesn't log anything, whichever VPN comes to mind. Whether or not you plan to visit the dark web, there's still always the risk that your information can appear on it. Don't want your data for sale in some kind of dark web vending machine? Don't reuse usernames and passwords. Never click phishing links. Try to avoid sharing too much personal information online. And never forget to cover your digital footprint. One great way to cover it? Why, a VPN, of course. Whether you're just trying to avoid your data being hacked and sold on the dark web, or you're trading an illegal unicorn ivory, or you're a freedom advocate poking around where governments fear to tread, maybe don't do it from your Starbucks Wi-Fi. Windscribe encrypts your traffic, masks your IP, blocks trackers, and hides Tor use from your ISP. We log nothing, we track nothing, we sell nothing. Do we like you? We don't even know you, which is how privacy should be. Like and subscribe for more, and in the meantime, stay safe out in the dark web.